Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit the invoice which was created in my previous video. Okay, to edit the invoice. Bringing back to you on this folders. Output folder is always whatever the invoice has been processed. It's been dumped onto output e-invoice, like I said in my previous video. So the contents when I open the output e-invoice folder, I see Excel files and PDF files. PDF files are the final e-invoice file which is generated from the application. Excel files are the files which is being generated and processed. Now, let me show you how to create, how to update how to update the invoice which has been created. Okay. Number one, go to output invoice and go to Excel files. Notice you get the last generated Excel file from this list, from this folder, GX, whatever the number it is. All right. Now I'm trying to edit this file. Open e-invoice, Excel version, and you notice the invoice number has been already generated. We are not going to touch the invoice number. If I have to alter the invoice date, I can do that. Okay, 2020, you can change the address, of course not the billing. Customer name can also be altered based on the if something minor changes. Well, now we have changed the invoice date. We have changed the other information, like let's say credit days 15 days, or uh, it can be 30 days. All right. Now let me add another a new service, like let's say labor charges for one day, 50 whatever the amount, 120, and if you have 15, this is how I have altered. Now maybe the storage date is 1.5. Okay, one, let's say 1, and then we have the total, everything's ready. Now please note, I've not changed the invoice number. In fact, I have altered, I have updated all the services. Again, please follow the same protocol, like not cutting and pasting anything, not doing anything with the present format. You only have to key in or change the information into the same fixed cells. All right, now coming back, once if I know the total is exactly what I wanted, then now you delete the existing QR code from this file, because the QR code which was generated is from the previous invoice. All right, it's no longer needed. So delete the QR code. Don't cut again, don't cut nothing, just click on the QR and press delete. All right, check all other informations are okay. Now I'm going to save this file, close this file. Now I mean, just make sure everything is clear to create an invoice. Okay, if you want to add or alter, you can do that. All right, now after saving, I close this invoice. I'll quickly go back to the application. I need to resubmit the updated invoice. Click on submit. All right, I need to choose the same file. Now this time I'm not selecting choosing the file from input, because I'm going to edit my file. I'm going to edit my invoice, so I'll directly jump onto output folder. Within output folder, you have Excel files where you will see the last generated. Sort it on the date if you have any confusion, and make sure you will choose the latest file which you have made the changes, not the previous versions. If you're going to choose the previous version, you're going to get the wrong information. So choose the latest file which is generated, which has been edited recently, and click on open, and now send the file for verification. The file is getting verified, and now you will see editing invoice. This time you will not see in adding new invoice, you will see an orange color editing invoice. Don't get the invoice number, because we are following the same invoice changes. All right, the invoice total, whatever the changes we have done. accordingly. And now the step 2 is generate e-invoice. Proceed to prepare final invoice just like before. It's again submitting the updated information to the server and then getting back the updated QR information. Notice on the right side, you will see one new file is being generated in output. This is just now it's been generated 1:38 p.m. and that's my latest file which has been generated. Now coming back to this screen, open invoice, no need to open, and then directly click on print to PDF. Now the moment you click on print to PDF, all right, number one, you will see the file, the latest updated invoice is being shown on the screen with the latest QR code. All right, and then now I'm going to minimize this. Now where to find this file? Suppose if you want to send this Excel file, all processed file, all final processed invoices will be saved on output invoice. Like I said, I will open the output invoice folder, go to PDF, you will see this is the latest invoice. You right click and send to your email or copy, paste anywhere you want to have it. Hope you're clear with this. All right. So and this is where you've been getting listed. Apart from this tab, you have search. Now if you want to know how many invoices I have searched for this particular client, GES, you will get to see by invoice date. You can see in the month of selected range how many invoices being prepared, and you can search by invoice number and so on. All right, hope you're clear with this introduction, and reviewing it back again. If you want to edit the invoice, first of all, number one, go to output. In output folder, go to Excel files, get the latest customer, the last updated customer file, Excel, open this Excel file, and then delete the QR code, number one, and then update the contents with the same, keeping the same format. Once you have done, close this file, open this application, submit the same file whichever you have made the changes, and then generate the e-invoice. That's it. So hope you're clear with this. If there's anything, send me a WhatsApp message or send me an email. Thank you all for watching.